April, block 6. A little confused initially as to what block it was, no contact. Initially I thought it was 13, but I'm assuming it's block 6. So 1, 2, no contact, should look and feel easy. And then let's just check. So what we're looking for here, center point, and then we're looking for April to see the donut picture here, there, and then Barbara to finish. Yep. See it with the grips now. So again, there's the center of the 6. This is where we want to see April on the donut. I'll just leave the cursor there. 1, 2. Yeah, watch the over rotation. Let's see. 1, that's it there, and 2 there. So I think for you, April, if you can get that move stopped at 90 degrees, like your head, April, is going there, and then stop the knee, because if you over rotate, that's when we start to put extra pressure on that grip of Barbara's. But then it's up to Barbara to feel that and also to stop. Okay, 8. No contact. It's a good way to obviously pick up the timing between the two of you, and it gets better and better in the no contact. So just to talk through the technique here, on the beginning, April, you need somewhere to go. So Barbara has to initiate by moving forwards. You need high anticipation for sure, like your knee can start moving down as the key starts, but make sure that Barbara gives you space. So there you go. You can see her moving and you follow her through, April. So that's perfect. And now Barbara's got to start moving, April, before you can go. Because again, imagine, if you try and go now, there's nowhere for you to go. You're just going to hit Barbara. And I think we see that as we start to take the grips. I'm sorry about all the noise here, guys. We got the windows wide open, and it's nice and warm in Spain here. So Barbara moves forward. Yep, not bad. Oi, let's get things totally paused. Yes, and I'd suggest the rebuild each time you do these blocks. So Barbara needs to move forward. Barbara needs to move forward. And so we don't quite get that. Yeah, Barbara moves forward. That's it. Barbara moves forward, and then April, you join her. So it's definitely a case of on block 8. Okay, here we go. So Barbara's got to create some space forwards to there so that your knee can come alongside. And then Barbara has to be ready to come forwards before you can go. So there, that didn't happen. Let's look at the next one. There, 1. And then Barbara, you stop here, which is nice. You've got a side-by-side picture. And then Barbara steps forward to finish. I find in patience from outside center. So you need to be ready, April, but you gotta let Barbara start the move. And then you guys just playing around a little bit at the end, working your skills, love it. Exactly what you guys should be doing with these sessions is working on your flying skills and just tweaking any blocks that need attention.